wanted to give as much detail as I could, and the video might just do the best job. But otherwise, here is the McIntosh power amp. And it is in really good condition. If I had to be picky, there seems to be a slight rub mark there, but to be honest, I haven't tried cleaning it at all. Can't really see well in there, but I'll go around the back side too. And of course the preamp, that's also in really good condition, and all pretty smooth without rust there. There's a little bit of fuzz from dusting it off. And then the tuner, same thing. You've got, looks like some water spots, but again, I just haven't wiped it off. I'll go around the back side. And here's the tuner. The preamp. Get a little dust in there, but otherwise I think it's about as clean as they get. So this entire rack system actually is on a track that from the front side you can pull a couple panels off. These bridges are used to attach the wiring to, so when the entire rig slides out, it's also on a kind of a lazy Susan, so it slides out and then rotates, so you can easily access the back of all of the components without having to move the unit away from the wall. So it really is a pretty cool setup. So let me know if you need any more info. Thanks.